Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, airbags, front knee, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.